Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how to set up Codex CLI with Node.js on macOS. Open web browser. I am using Google Chrome. You can use any web browser. Go to search bar. Type Node.js. Press enter. Click on first link. Node.js. Scroll down. Click Get Node.js. This is Node.js version. Scroll down. Click on macOS installer package. It is 87.3 megabits package. Now the downloading is completed. Close web browser. Click on Finder. Click Downloads. Here it is Node setup file. Let's right-click on it. Open with Installer. Close Downloads. Welcome to the Node.js installer. Click Continue. Software License Agreement. Click Continue. Click Agree. This will take 314.3 megabytes of space on your computer. Click Install. Type here Rohit password. Click Install software. Now the installation in progress. The installation was completed successfully. Click Close. Do you want to move the Node.js installer to the bin? In my case, I will not keep this installer. Click Move to bin. After Node.js installation, now let us verify the Node and npm version. Go to Spotlight Search. Type terminal here. Click Terminal. Type Node-v. Press Enter. Now you can see the Node version 24.15.0. Check npm version. Type npm-v. Press Enter. As you can see the npm version 11.12.1. After check Node and npm version. Now I am going to install Codex. Go to web browser. Type Codex CLI. Install. Press Enter. Scroll down. Click on this link. Codex CLI. Scroll down. This is the Codex installation command. Now copy this command. Go to terminal. Type sudo. Paste the copied command. Press Enter. Type here macadmin password. Press Enter. Now Codex is installing. Now you can see, add it to package. This means our Codex is installed on Mac. It's showing npm notice to update your npm version. It's also provide a command to update npm version on this Mac. But now this time I am going to leave as default npm version. So now I am going to run Codex. But first clear the terminal screen. Type here Codex. Press Enter. When you open OpenAI Codex, you'll see 3 sign-in options. The first option, sign in with ChatGPT, is the easiest and best for most users. Just log in with your account. The second option, device code, lets you sign in using a one-time code if the browser doesn't open. The third option, API key, is for developers who want more control and use pay-as-you-go billing. In my case, I will choose first option. Press Enter. It will redirect to your browser and it say login with mail ID or Gmail account. In my case, I will go with Google account. Sign in to Codex with ChatGPT. Scroll down. Click on Continue. Signed in to Codex. Now go back to terminal. Press Enter to continue. Do you trust the content of this directory? Yes, continue. Press enter. Now OpenAI Codex is open. Now you can see the model. GPT 5.5. So now I am going to put command here to create a simple loop program in Python. Press enter. Now it's working to generate code. So it create a program, but it say that I tried to run it, but this Mac does not have an available Python. Okay, now so provide code. Press enter. Now see this a loop program code. Show output. Press enter. This is the output of this loop code. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to set up OpenAI Codex with Node.js on Mac. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.